So please note down the question today. Today you saw some children. Today you saw some children working at a restaurant, especially roadside restaurant जो हाईवे पे होते हैं, ठीक है. Today you saw some children working at restaurant. You are not able to forget the whole scene. You are not able to forget you are not able to forget the scene. Write a diary entry and express your feeling. Little children means maybe 8 to 9 years. And I know that I think all of you have witnessed this thing, especially on dhabas, okay, roadside. So you are not able to forget the scene. Write a diary entry and express your views and feelings. And express your feelings. We will do format, then we will discuss in class that what do you feel about it. Because we don't have time to write the whole diary entry, so I can't wait for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's better to give ideas. You can speak up your ideas, then you can write down, okay? So every student try to speak 1 or 2 ideas at least. 1 or 2 lines from your diary entry. कोई भी lines आप बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है? So write down the format, please. Suppose this is your margin line. Here you will write day. Today is which day? Day. Saturday. Then date. Then dear diary. Dear diary. And on the opposite side of Saturday, write down the time. Choose any time that is your wish. So day, date, dear diary, then time. This is the format. Now you will leave line here and write at least 150 words. Please write down क्योंकि हमने घर पे लिखनी है. So you can just note down that 150 words should be there. And past and present tense mix depends on your sentence. Depend करता है आप कौन सा sentence use कर रहे हो. So it is not necessary to use past tense only. If you are talking about universal truth or something, you can use present tense. Now think about it. I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. Think about the topic and what do you feel? Then please let me know. Give your views. कि आपको इस topic पे क्या आपके views हैं, ठीक है? How will you start your diary? It was a weird day, ठीक है? What a weird day it was. What a strange day it was. I had strange feeling today. I went to any out of city beta, ठीक है? Any city you can mention here with my family, and on the way we decided to take some rest at Dash restaurant, ठीक है? So when we ordered something, when we called the waiter because we wanted to order something, we were amazed or we were shocked to see that a little child of around 9 to 10 years, he came to get the order. So think about it. अच्छे से सोचो इसके बारे में. After 1 minute or 2 minutes, we'll discuss it. What do you think? आपको क्या लगता है? Yes, Karthik.
यस मैम। मैम वो डायरी एंट्री के लिए अभी हैंड रेज किया था अभी।
Okay, you want to speak? Then you can speak better. Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am, I am framing lines now. After 2 minutes, I will speak.
Okay, fine. So everyone frame some lines, at least 3 to 4 lines, and then please speak up. At last, you can thank thank Almighty for giving you such nice parents who are concentrating on your education, not on these type of things. So today I am really thankful to my parents as they gave me all the facilities and they just think about my education and my future. Because there are parents like those also who send their children to work at this age. I'm going to mute myself, think about it.
He also gave 50 rupees that
Yes,
I am so thankful to God that God gave me nice parents. They always fulfill my demands. They always care about my studies.
Yes, exactly. Well done, Vita. Nice.
Thank you,
So
ma'am.
you can always add your feelings also. बीच बीच में feeling add कर रही है. You have to put some action also कि आपने क्या किया उसके लिए, ठीक है? And you can make why not? Why only 150 words? अगर आप बनाने का आपका बहुत मन है तो you can make 200 words also. It just depends on you, ठीक है? Okay, next is Ipsa. Then Karthik, I think you are raising
Yes,
hand. I'll give you turn. Yes, Ipsa.
What a dejectful day it was. After returning from Delhi, my parents and I decided to eat something at a restaurant. When we entered the restaurant, we became shocked seeing the children cleaning the table and taking orders from the other people. We felt very pity on them. When we called them and asked the questions about why are you working here, मैम इसके बाद स्टोरी लिखनी थी, स्टोरी अभी लिखी नहीं है, मैंने उसके आगे की लाइन लिखी है. After hearing their stories, we have no words to say. I started thinking that how people can be so cruel about the children. The children at the age of the children, they had to play and study, but these people are letting them to work with them. Government should take some actions against them.
Okay, fine. Well done. So we asked him about his family and where he lives. Okay, and he told us the whole story. He belonged to a poor family, and his father is drunkard. Okay, you can write this thing. Then we asked him about his salary, and he told us that was very shocking to know that he was taking just 2,000 rupees from the owner. And then again, one idea came to my mind that we people just spend thousands of rupees on our luxuries, but the child who was spending the whole day there, he was getting only 2,000, and that was very shocking for us. Okay, okay, nice, well done. Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to speak second paragraph.
Yes, Peter, speak up, please.
Today, when I and my family was going to a restaurant, we saw a small child who was taking orders from the customers. We felt very pity on him. We called him and ordered some food. And then after that, when he came to us by taking that food, I asked him about his parents and his family. He told me that his parents died from car accident. Then I felt very sad, and at the same time I felt very angry on the government and restaurant owners, as they are letting the child to work with them, and they don't know even what happens on the child, and I think that they have no heart.
Okay, fine.
So I insisted my थोड़ा सा आगे लिखा है मैंने.
Okay.
So I insisted my parents that to give him some money and sponsor him for the school education till 18 years.
Okay.
then he would
And
become
they
nice
okay,
person.
and they agreed. Okay. And then I was very happy, and the shocking day turned to a very wonderful day. Okay. So well done, all of you. Next is Shubh. Now the last paragraph, please, the action part. So action, I think Karthik has spoken the action. Even अपने parents से बोला to sponsor his education. You can take that action also, जो police वाला action है. So ending में आप action लोगे, then you will just conclude your diary entry. Okay? Yes, Shubh, please.
मैं-
बेटा.
डायरी एंट्री को भी पार्ट्स में लिखना है डिवाइड करके.
You can change the paragraphs, बच्चे. हाँ जी. You can change the paragraphs, or you can write without changing paragraph. Both are correct.
Yes, ma'am.
You can change or you cannot change. It's optional. ठीक है? It's not compulsory.
I was going to out of city with my parents. We decided to take rest at the way. Then we go to a restaurant. We were shocked to see that a small child of 9 to 10 years was taking orders of people. I felt very bad on that boy that in the age of studying, he is doing these type of things. This shows that government is not aware about child labor. They are taking no strict actions against child labor. Government should provide education to these children and they should stop child labor. I felt very disappointed on that child. We talked with the owner of the restaurant, but he became angry. Then I and my parents gave the boy rupees 5,000 to eat food, as he was very hungry and he was as he was very hungry. I also I was very thankful to my parents that they are giving me a good education.
Okay. They are giving me good education and all the facilities. Okay. So well done, all of you. Nice ideas. So you can club all ideas. जो आपको जिसके ideas अच्छे लगे, you can just take those ideas and you can make your diary entry. Now think about. Now let's change. अब serious topic से थोड़ा सा light topic पे चलते हैं. The topic is the day I enjoyed a lot. ठीक है? I think the totally opposite one. So think about it. After 1 minute, सिर्फ मेरे को ideas देने हैं. The whole day what you did, why it was the enjoyable day. ठीक है? The most enjoyable day. So think about it. I'll give you, okay, I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. Then just speak your ideas. Don't write. We don't have time, okay, to write each and everything. You can speak up. So, okay, Bishop ने सोच लिया हुआ है. Let's talk to Bishop. Yes.
A day I enjoy a lot.
What you did? Just speak up. क्या क्या किया?
Today I am going to enjoy with my friends.
The day I enjoyed. So yesterday.
Yesterday I am going to with I went to with my friends and I play with a lot, and I go to a restaurant and eat a lot, and we drive a lot and
Drived.
and
We went on long drive. We went to long drive.
long run. And at 8 p.m. we come home.
Come की second form.
Came home.
So whenever you are writing past tense, okay, you have to write second form. Okay. So you can explain the whole thing. Okay. And other students, whenever you are ready to speak, you can just raise your hand. और बोलने से पहले please let me remember. मेरे को थोड़ा सा याद करवा देना. I have to turn. Okay, speak up.
The day I enjoyed a lot was the first day of my summer vacation when I went to my cousin's house alone without my mom.
Okay.
We played a lot. I seriously played a lot there, and it was like the. I'm आगे lines पे बना रहा हूँ.
Okay. What type of games? What type of games you played there?
Ma'am, we played all the PlayStation games.
Okay, I knew that. Always PlayStation games. You people like. Okay. So next, okay, Devang, please make some lines. Then I'll unmute you again. Raghav, please. Raghav, you are raising your hand. Yes, Vita.
मैम एक बार आप रिपोर्ट राइटिंग का बता दो कैसे करनी है, क्योंकि उस दिन आपकी
We
कराई
will
थी।
do beta definitely in revision test 1. We will be having, you will be having periodic test 1 syllabus. That's why I'm just making you revise PT1, ठीक है? And the next revision test जो next week है, next week वाला, उसमें PT2 का syllabus आएगा. Then the next whole week will be revising PT2 syllabus, ठीक है? And report writing जो भी उसमें letter to editor, everything will revise one by one. So today only I'm just making you revise PT1 syllabus and sentences हमारे पढ़े हैं रिवाइज करने वाले sentences. I think you know that assertive sentence, interrogative, imperative, and one thing I think exclamatory. You know this thing already. And adjective book वाले ही करना. उसमें हमने दो तरह के adjective किए थे. Let me just make you revise the adjectives quickly and write down this paragraph at home. And Monday or Tuesday, Tuesday we have no class. On Wednesday, please speak up in the class the whole paragraph, okay? Now quickly please revise adjective in just 2-3 minutes. According to your book, adjective has 2 types. First of all, what is adjective? You know that. Please speak up. What is adjective? Raise your hand, and only Shubh is present in class. Otherwise, all are sleeping. Okay, Gaurish, good morning. Okay, next. So, Gaurish, what is adjective?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, an adjective is a word that tells us about the quality and disqualities of a noun.
It tells us about, it describes the noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Tells us qualities, or quality can be negative or positive. It tells us number, quantity, and possession, and it points out that house. Okay? So it describes a noun. So in your grammar book, I think you have just 2 types. One is attributive, and next is predicative. Please open your grammar book. Vishwa, grammar book deno beta. One is attributive, another is predicative. Attributive is the adjective that comes with a noun. यहाँ पे adjective होता है plus noun. But predicative comes alone, there is no noun with it. So attributive adjective is the adjective that comes with a noun like old house. Old plus house. House is a noun. So this is attributive adjective. The house is old. There is no noun after old. जब इसके साथ noun नहीं आएगा, then this is a kind of predicative. Give me 1 minute, please. Now I will give you 3-4 sentences. We have just 3 minutes, and you will tell me whether it is predicative or attributive. I repeat, attributive में इसके साथ noun आएगा, and in predicative no noun is there. It comes alone. Now I am giving you 5 sentences. You will tell me. Vishnu, समझ आ गया बेटा? क्या समझाया मैंने? Please tell me. Okay, you will tell me the first answer. ठीक है? Get ready. You will pick out adjective and tell me the type, whether it is attributive or predicative. Then state whether it is attributive or predicative. She is an intelligent girl. Yes, Rishabh, pick out adjective and tell me whether it is predicative or attributive. An adjective. An is article. Intelligent. Gorish, please. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Gorish?
Intelligent, attributive.
Yes. Intelligent के साथ बेटा one noun is there. Whenever noun is there, that is your attributive adjective. Okay. Okay. Next one is Akshara, then Shobh, then Devang. One by one. In this order. Akshara, Shobh, Devang.
Ma'am, adjective is interesting and it's predicative.
Okay, it is predicative because there is no noun with it. Okay, Shubh. Shubh, next one.
Ma'am, house is adjective.
Bache, house is a noun. Shubh, what happened?
Situated is the adjective and it is predicative.
Which one? Which
Ma'am, I
one?
think my is the adjective, and it is attributive, as my is
This is
possessive adjective.
Yes. This is attributive. Possession, Shubh. My, your, his, her, they are also adjective. Okay, possessive adjective. Okay, next one is Devang. Devang, number 4.
Big and airy and it's a predicative.
They are predicative. One more adjective there. Find out, please.
That
I'm that.
That demonstrative होता है ना और यहाँ पे ये attributive है. So this is end of our revision. So I'll meet you on Wednesday and all the best for your revision test. 7th A. 7th A. Bye bye.